So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download GeForce Experience app on Windows 11. So basically, this is a software by Nvidia to keep the GPU drivers updated. Also, this optimizes game settings, capture high quality gameplay, and you can also access AI powered filter. So if you have an Nvidia GPU and you play a lot of games, so this is an essential app to have on your PC. So let's see how you can download it. First of all, open the browser on your PC. Now here search for GeForce Experience. Press enter and you will see this first link. Download Nvidia app. Click on it. Now here click on download now. And this will start downloading Nvidia app. Do note that GeForce Experience is now replaced by Nvidia app. So you will have to download Nvidia app. And now the app is downloaded. Run it. In the USC prompt click on yes. And this will start installing it. Now wait until the process is completed. So this I can download Nvidia GeForce. So this I can download GeForce Experience app on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.